Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to take you to St Maarten, where we had this amazing excursion that is called Horseback Ride on the seashore. And this is a journey about, it's started from the cliff and it will descend towards the sea. So finally you have to take the horse to the sea, and this was an amazing, thrilling experience, guys. Alright guys, today I'm in St Maarten and I'm on a horseback ride to some scenic spot and sea. So you can see as I'm on the horse. Now we are going to enter the sea with the horse. That will be the most adventurous thing I have done on horse. The next day I took a rented bike to explore the streets of St Maarten. And we are riding a bicycle in St Maarten. It's really sunny, but it's very cool. And it's a cold climate, though you can see the sun. But it's really nice and I am enjoying after a long time. Louis! This is my friend Louis.